Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Today, we'll be looking at the Nike Dunk Panda highs. I know, the lows are much better than this. I wasn't lucky enough to get a win on them, so here we are. But I do think this is not a bad alternative. In my opinion, I think you can wear this the same way that you're gonna wear your Panda lows. With regards to its materials, I think it's average, really. The leather on it doesn't feel like premium. It's much closer to Air Jordan 1 mids, if I'm being honest. It's black and white, so it's quite easy to pair it with usual clothes. I do prefer to just mirror what I have on feet with a combination of my top and bottoms. If you can't afford the lows, this is a really good alternative. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.